The first thing that caused the damage of the mosque was a heavy downpour of rain. So actually, it is highly connected to climate change.
This mosque was started about our grandfathers. If our elder die or anything, we are making the memorials, everything, yeah, adore prayers with everything. If we get new baby to make the name ceremony, we are doing it here.
We are here to actually restore it and bring it back to its feet, and also make sure that we enhance resilience in future threats that are posed by climate change.